In today's lesson, we're going to start tackling big idea number one, which is what does an atom look like and how do scientists know this? This is an important question to answer, not just from a pure scientist perspective. If we can understand what atoms are made up of and how they behave, then we can exploit that and create new technologies such as the electronics industry of today. So we'll start with learning target number one. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to describe the components of an atom and discuss the experimental evidence and theory that supports their existence, their charge, and their location. This lesson has a lot of animations and videos attached to it. You can find these on the course website. Make sure you pause this video and watch the animations as they come up. So how do we know atoms exist? Ancient Greek philosophers first described matter as being made up of distinct building blocks, but the modern theory is attributed to a scientist known as John Dalton. He performed a number of experiments using atmospheric gases. When he was reacting them together, he observed that they always reacted in whole number ratios. He called this the law of multiple proportions. For example, when oxygen reacts with nitrogen, you get NO2 and you get NO3, but you don't get NO2.5. Each of these compounds that get made has a unique molar mass, and there's no compound with a weight in between them. In order to explain this, Dalton concluded that there must be different building blocks for compounds with definite and characteristic weights. In 1803, he described these building blocks as small indestructible spheres, or billiard balls, and had four statements attached to his model. He stated that all matter is made up of atoms. Atoms of the same element have the same properties, such as the mass, the size, chemical properties, physical properties. Atoms cannot be converted into atoms of another element through chemical reactions. You have to do a nuclear reaction, like in a bomb or in a nuclear power plant, in order to change one element into another. He also stated that atoms of different elements combine in specific proportions to form compounds. Have a look at the Eureka Electron video. It's a neat little cartoon that reviews the components of electrons that we're going to talk about next.